Phoenix, Arizona is cool, but unfortunately they lack color.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing good. Y'all the first black people I done seen the whole night.
I believe it. I got niggas
Why you didn't tell me that?
Sorry.
Where you about to go right now?
What you about to do?
I don't think I got the number.
That's all I was telling them.
Oh, here you go. Hold on. I just bought it, so I gotta learn how to work this motherfucker. Yeah. You gotta work this? I think you gotta hold the numbers like when you.
I'm calling somebody. Oh no.
Okay, yeah, I ain't put nobody up in there yet, so I don't know how you go. Huh? Trying to simple shit. Yeah. That motherfucker work though. Yeah.